Okay, so this one I am underneath the passenger seat or right hand side, working my way backwards, exhaust pipe on the left. Wrapped leaf springs. Inside of the rear wheel well on the passenger side. Try and get the torch up there. Got no respect for people who make car videos because this is painful. Probably more painful for you guys watching it. Hopefully if I wander around for long enough, somehow combined on all these little videos, I will have covered all of the underneath. I think what I'll do next is get my trusty tapper and go do some tapping. I think that's what Ed China does. So yeah, I'll get my tapper.